Hey guys, Blair with Revit Auto, and in this video for Fix It Friday, we're showing you how you can service your transfer case on your 2012 Ram 1500. Be sure to check the video description because we'll have all the tools and torque specs that you need to know. So now we're going to service the transfer case. To do that, you'll be underneath the driver's side, about a little bit past the front wheel. So I'll take my 13mm and I'll go ahead and break loose the 4 bolts that are holding in the lower skid pad. Now this skid pad just protects the transfer case, and we'll go ahead and loosen her up and drop it down. All right, then I'll keep all my hardware together. Now, if you're prone to losing hardware like I am, I suggest that when you take out your bolts, you just put them right back in so that they're there when you need them. So whenever you're servicing the transfer case, you want to make sure that you can remove the upper plug first, because if you do the lower plug first and you can't get the fill plug out, you're not going to be able to fill this thing back up with fluid and you can't drive it. So what I always do is I just loosen it and I put a drain pan right underneath just in case some fluid leaks out. Alrighty, so no fluid came out, but there's just a little bit on this top piece right here. So this fill plug has a little bit of fluid on it, and I can always just stick my finger in and dip down and see how much fluid there really is. Where is it? Right here? Yeah. All right, so the fluid's right up at the top. So I know that when we refill it, we want to make sure that we have it just as full. We'll actually let it run out just a little bit on us. Have the drain pan underneath when you pull this so you don't make a giant mess. And then also be sure to check the fluid as it comes out. Look for any contaminants. Looking for any metal debris. Alrighty, so this baby came out and it's definitely dark. It smells a little warm, and I've got a little bit of some material, but nothing hateful. Okay, alrighty. And clip. And that's how they do it when you're a baby. Get it? Oh. Yes. Drink. All right, that's full. So now we're going to go ahead and just let the excess drain out. All righty, now that it's slowed down, I'm just going to go ahead and put this back in. Now I recommend that you do this by hand and not use a power tool. And then you're going to tighten it to about 22 to 25 foot-pounds, which is about here. And once you're done, just wipe away the excess with the rag, and then we'll go ahead and put our cover back on. We'll line this guy up back here. We'll go to town. Alrighty, that's nice and snuggly. Alright, so that's your transfer case. Thanks so much for watching this video. We hope it helped you. Be sure to check the video description for all the tools that you need that we use to complete this repair, as well as hit that like button and subscribe. I'm Blair with Revit Auto, and as always, happy motoring.